Hey everyone, CPAP Gentleman here, and I haven't made a video in a long time. You know what else hasn't been done in a long time? I'm so excited to finally replace my mask. It's been ages. Nice. Where'd you get it from? Came from Wuhan, China. It's a refurbished model from some laboratory. Sounds legit. Making CPAP videos requires a little bit of effort, sort of like replacing your CPAP supplies. But I assure you, getting a new mask and tubing every now and again is vital to your health. These things weren't meant to be indestructible. They were built with comfort in mind, because if it's not remotely comfortable, let's face it, no one is going to use it. Comfort, however, comes at a price. The materials used to make these products will not withstand the test of time for long. Things will start to break down. The first thing to go will likely be your mask cushion. Cushions are primarily made out of silicone, and with frequent use, the silicone will start to become thinner, softer, and less likely to maintain an air pressure seal. When the cushion loses its ability to maintain a seal, the most common thing a CPAP user will do is tighten the velcros on their headgear. With repetitive tightening, mask headgears will eventually stretch and wear out.
But CPAP gentlemen, I've been wearing the same pair of underwear for nearly 2 decades, and it seems to be doing the job just fine. Now why can't I do the same with my CPAP mask?
Replacing your equipment has more to do with just how well it functions. Infection control is also an important factor. A popular study by Harvard Medical School in 2009 determined that CPAP masks, particularly older ones, had a higher amount of bacteria present when compared to their newer counterparts. They also discovered that this was a common occurrence, despite regular cleaning of equipment. Some masks, hoses, and humidifier containers were found to have more than 2,000 colonies of bacteria present. Does your immune system even lift, bro? Because of this, researchers recommended replacing CPAP masks and hoses at least once every 6 months to guard against exposure to such pathogens. Now, I get it. These kinds of supplies aren't exactly cheap, but nevertheless, it's important to budget for. After all, the whole reason you're using this therapy to begin with is to manage your condition and maintain an overall healthy lifestyle. That's why it's critical to properly maintain your equipment and reduce the likelihood of contracting a respiratory infection. For more videos like this, subscribe, like, leave a comment. I mean, you know what to do. You got this. CPAP Gentleman, out. The silicone will start to